Veronica ji, you can start now.
Okay, thank you, Rakesh ji. So, namaste, welcome everyone, all the students. Yesterday we had our introductory session, so I hope most of you must have attended it, though we couldn't, present it, give the presentation and everything. But that's fine. That presentation will take place in the seniors class. So this is the batch for kids, mostly below 10 years of age, 10 to 12 years of age. So here our main goal is to teach them just the basic alphabets of Sharda so that they are able to write their name and small words, simple and small words in Sharda. We will not go to the advanced class here because their age, considering their age, and they are not very well aware of Devanagari. Some of them, I'm not saying all, few of them are not very well aware of the matras and other special rules that we have in Devanagari. So we will keep it this class to the basic, this for kids. Rest other advanced course and other advanced things that will happen in the seniors class. So if there are kids who are well aware with Devanagari, who are interested in doing the advanced course also, they can join us later in the seniors group. And here few instructions that we will give before we begin the class. We would prefer if a parent is accompanying the child so that the child can take down the instructions properly, because there are kids who are 4 and 5 years of age, so they might not be able to understand few things. So it's better if the parent is sitting next to them and guiding them what all they need. Second, Sharda being basically a calligraphic script, it is usually found written in manuscripts, and whatever ancient texts we have, it has always been in calligraphic script. So it is always preferred to write with a calligraphic pen. We have shared the images of the calligraphic pens that are available at Amazon and Flipkart and all these sites. You can either buy them or you can use a highlighter pen or a sketch pen, or a plain ink pen will also be fine. But and pencil is also a good option, but avoid using ballpoint pens, because whenever we use ballpoint pens we tend to write faster, and that will impact the writing, the formation of letters of Sharda script. So avoid using ballpoint pens. You can use a sketch pen if you can, if you are have an access to buying these calligraphic pens, that would be better. Rest, we will start the session now. And yes, we would prefer if the kid is having a notebook with them, a pencil or a sketch pen or whatever writing tool, and whatever letter we are showing here, so the student needs to copy the same letter in the notebook. And if we are making any note, or if we are telling any important instruction about the letter, so make sure that you, if not the child, if you can write it down for them. For example, we will show how the movement of the pen takes place when we write a particular letter. So obviously the kid won't be able to write it. You might note it down for teaching them later, helping them to write the letter properly. And in the middle of the session, we can unmute and ask any child to present their, the writing, present their notebook. They can show it in front of the camera, like how they have written it. So make sure everyone is noting down whatever letters we are teaching today. So today we will begin with our first class.
So students, everybody, please take your notebook, take your pencil or a sketch pen, whatever pen you have, and the way Veronica madam will show you these, draw it very slowly. Do not rush. We will be very slow in our teaching. She will show you how to write. You also try to write very beautifully. And in between, what we will do, I will pick up any students, or if somebody has written, he can just send a message, or he can just show the hand. We will see that message and we will give you the access. Parents can show how they have written on the notebook. We will show to other students also. And in case you have any questions, or parents, you have any questions on the letter what we have drawn, please do ask on the chat box. I am watching the chat box while Veronica ji is taking the class. So you can ask any questions and we will answer it after uh, we complete the letter drawing, and we will try to answer all the questions. Yes, you can use normal ink pen also, no problem. Anish has asked whether I can use a normal pen. Yes, you can use. Just don't use ballpoint pen. If you have a pencil, that is very good, no problem. If you have a sketch pen, that is also good. Just use a new note. Try to use a new notebook. If you do not have notebook today, try to use any copy today. But from tomorrow onwards, you should have one notebook and one page. You have to write every day. We will also send you the videos at the end of the session on the WhatsApp group for your practice. So you will all practice by watching the video. You will all practice by watching Veronica today now in this session. And all the best to all students. Thank you, Veronica ji. Go ahead.
Thank you, Rakeshji. So let us begin with the very first letter, the very auspicious one, which is Om. So I'll be drawing the letter in Devanagari first, so that all the students understand what letter are we teaching. So this is how we write Om. I'm sure all the kids know, most of the kids might be familiar with this letter. This is Om in Devanagari. Make sure that you write the Devanagari version also in the notebook, so that later you can refer to the notebook and see which letter is written. So this is Om in Devanagari. Write it slowly, no need to rush. Make sure that the letter is drawn beautifully, both the Devanagari and the Sharda both. So now I'll be drawing this letter, same letter in Sharda. Note the movement of the pen, how the pen is moving, which stroke to give first, which is the second stroke. These movements are very important while writing it. Okay, now I'll show the movement of the pen so that you know how to draw it. So what I'm doing first is I'm drawing a line here, straight horizontal line. Then I'm taking this line down at an angle, 45 degrees. Then I take this further down, make a loop, and take this loop all the way up, touching the Shirorekha. Shirorekha is the line that is the horizontal line that is drawn on the top of any letter, that is called Shirorekha. And from when it touches the Shirorekha, from that point itself, not moving my pen, not taking it further anywhere else, from the same point, I'm getting my pen down. So these are the movements you need to follow. I'm drawing it here with a normal pencil so that you know how you have to do it. And there is a Chandra on the top of it. And when you make the Chandra, make sure it's not too wide. What usually students tend to do is they make it something like this, going far away from the Shirorekha. No, it should stay within these limits of this Shirorekha. It should not extend.
Veronica ji, can you draw it 3-4 times the same Om? Draw it and
Yes.
show them once again what is called Shirorekha, what is called Chandrabindu, what is called Chandra. which is the line. So because they are small kids,
Yeah,
they
got
should
it.
understand. Yeah.
Yes. So this line on the top, I will be using this term a lot of times, Shirorekha. So Shirorekha is something in Devanagari also. For example, when you write Ka in Devanagari, I'll use a different pen. So when we write Ka, this I'm writing in Devanagari, you always draw a line above each alphabet, each letter. So this letter here, this letter is called Shirorekha. And Chandra Bindu is in Devanagari, we use this kind of Chandra Bindu. You see this? We use this. When we write a word like Angur, for example. I'll show you here. We write this like this, Ang. This is in Devanagari how we write Ang. We put a Chandra Bindu on the top of it. It's a half semi-circle kind of a sign and a Bindu in the middle. So this is called Chandra Bindu. And in Sharda, this Chandra Bindu is written like this, inverted. So that is what we have drawn here, a Chandra Bindu on top, and this Shirorekha, this is called Shirorekha. This thing is called Shirorekha. And one more point here, when you draw this Om, make sure that this Shirorekha in Om is not extended like this. It is not extended from here. From here, you can extend it a little bit, not too much. A little bit is okay. But from this side, this ends right here. Okay, and then you draw this here again. So I'll draw it again without extending the Shirorekha. Like this. Get it down here. And this is now I'm drawing a Chandra Bindu. This is a Chandra Bindu, inverted. It's in Sharda, we draw it like this. And this Shirorekha should not come out from this letter. It should be stopping right here. Let me draw with the normal pencil tool also, because most of you will be writing with a sketch pen or a pencil. So this is how the shape is going to be when you write with a sketch pen or a pencil. Straight, Chandra Bindu. Now, few pointers here. When we draw this Om, so what usually tends to happen is students might draw it like this. I will show you all the kind of mistakes that students do. So here they will just keep it here and then draw a Shirorekha from up and stop this loop here. You're getting me what I'm doing? What I'm doing is here, and when you get this loop here, don't stop here and then draw a line here. This is wrong. Okay, this loop needs to go all the way up, and from there you draw this line down. And one more thing is, few students, what they tend to do is draw a line here. So what happened here is you got a gap in between this line and this loop. You see this? This is also incorrect. So make sure when you're drawing a line, this line, you're taking it down, make sure there is no gap. the gap is just below at the bottom, where these two, the loop and this line is meeting. There should be no gap in between here. Okay. And one more thing which I will highlight is try to make it this loop a little smaller. What usually happens is when you start writing, you might, tend to make it like this. We have seen these kind of mistakes which happen initially. Later you get a hang of it and then you will make it proper. But in the initial, practice, this happens. This loop should not be very big. You see this? You see this thing? This should not happen.
Just
So
mark
what
it
you need to
red
do
with
is
cross. Just mark it red with the cross so that they know that this is wrong.
So this is the wrong way of writing. Okay, I will show again how to make this loop smaller. Here, here. Get it done. So you see this point and this point. Wait, I'll show with the pen black color here. This point and this point are almost in the same line. It's not extending. It's not going beyond this line. So you imagine an imaginary line here when you draw ohm. Imagine a line here, imaginary line, and what you need to think is that this loop should not come out like this. It should stay within this line. So then you will get a proper shape here. And again, when you will draw a chandra on top of it, like this, make sure this also is staying this within this line. It is not going like this. It should not be like this. Or it should not be like this. Okay, this is also wrong. Yeah, this is the right one. It is covering the Shirorekha, this horizontal line. It is not coming out from here. It is not coming out from here. And also, sometimes you might draw it like this also, which is incorrect. It should not be too small also. It's too small. You see this? Very small. It has to be almost of the same size as this line. So have you noted down this ohm? Have you written it? Try to write it 2-3 times. If you are not getting the shape correct in first attempt, you can write it 2-3 times to get the right shape. Copy from this shape. Just mark this. When you're copying in your notebook, this is the right shape. Copy from here. And make sure you're writing Devanagari Om also with it. So I assume everyone has noted this down. I'm not going to erase this. I'll keep it as it is so that if you need to see it again, you can see. We will just do the first alphabet of the Varnamala today, which is, I'm sure all the kids by now know what is the first alphabet of the Varnamala. It is A, which we also call Swar. In English, what we call them is vowel, like how we have in English A, E, I, O, U vowels. Here in Devanagari, these are called swar. O, A, E, U, U. All these are the swar. So this is the first swar of our Hindi Varnamala, which is A. So draw this neatly in your notebooks. Then I will show how to do the Sharda. Okay. Now I'm drawing the Sharda.
Do you want to see the Om from students, or we will see that later?
I think after we will see it.
Yes.
Both
Okay.
the letters together. Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm going to draw now. Now note the movements. I am not taking it from up. I'm taking it from middle. You draw a slightly curved figure. It's slightly curved. Then you get it down. Then you make a round here. Then I'm going up, taking it up. Now from the same point, I'm getting my pen down. And here, I'm making another round here. Okay. And then I draw this horizontal line on the top of it, which is called Shirorekha. Okay. I'm doing it again. A slight curve. Get your pen down. Make a round here. Take it up. Get it down. And here, when you come down, make a loop again. A round. And then draw the complete line, complete Shirorekha on the top of the letter. Okay, I will show the movement of the pen here, how it goes. First, what I did is made a line curve here, took it up, down, and around. Then here I'm going, taking it up again. No gaps in between, just a straight line. And around again here. Okay. And then I draw a complete Shirorekha, which is touching the letter completely, covering the letter completely and touching these two corners, this corner and this corner. It should touch it and it should be covering the letter. It should not be made like this. Avoid drawing it like this. Don't keep it like the Shirorekha, the top line like this. This is wrong. Okay, make sure now here in this the line is extending from both the sides, from here also and from here also. Now let me draw it with the normal pen. Okay, and I will show you the mistakes that will generally students try to make. Now here this curve, it's slightly curved. Okay, it is not like this. Do not make it like this. This is wrong. Okay, I will just make a cross here. This is wrong. This is the right curve, slightly curved. Like this. This is the right curve. And when you draw this loop here, do not make a sharp triangle like this. Okay, this triangle here, it is wrong. So what we need to do is slight curve, make a round like this. this. Now this is the right way of doing it. This one is right. Okay, this is a round curve here. It is not like this angular curve. It's not a triangle here. It's a soft curve which we make like this. Okay. Now I'll draw the rest of the part. We did this. We know it's not a triangle. It's a round shape here, slightly round. Then you take it up. You will not make sure that you're not making it too long like this. If you make it too long like this, it will be incorrect again. This is also incorrect. Okay. Do not make this line very long. What you need to do is curve, round, horizontal line, vertical line, and here. It's a little shorter. And here again, this is also not a triangle. I'm not drawing it like this. This is also incorrect. It's a little rounded figure. Little round, soft round. It's not like a triangle at the bottom. So this is the correct letter. Copy it from here when you're copying it. And you need not to fill this. With calligraphy pens, generally it gets filled automatically sometimes. See here. Because I'm using a calligraphy brush. So it is this round and this round are getting filled. But you don't need to fill the round. If it is empty, let it be like that. Do not fill it with your pencil or a pen. And all the students, make sure that you have done both the letters. I will draw both the letters together here so that you can copy it. And we can ask randomly any student to show their notebooks. I'm going to draw both the letters for you to copy here. This is the first letter, home, that we learned. Also here, one more thing to note, that this line should not be very long and this should not be very short. It should be at the same length. This and this should have a same platform, same base. Again, you can draw an imaginary line here to understand that it should be above this line. This line should not come down and this loop should not come down. It should stay above this line. This is an imaginary line. You don't need to draw it. I'm just making it so that you understand how long these lengths have to be, this and this. Now the other letter that we learned was A. And a round. This line should not be very long. This line, I will show it with it. This line should be this much only. Don't make it too long like this. Okay. So now you copy both the letters and we can randomly ask someone.
Very nice. I think students are doing. So students, you can right now, whatever copy you have, you can use that. But later you need to have a, separate notebook for these. We will ask any student to present their screen, show how they have drawn. So many students have raised their hands. I will pick up anybody, and they can just first unmute their mic and also open their camera and show us that. 1 minute. I will also make that student presenter.
I will stop my screen sharing for some time so that the students can show their work.
Just wait, Veronica. So, Anish, are you there? Anish Sai Nandan? I will ask you to unmute. Oh, wait. One. Okay, Skandan Sharma, you can unmute. Skandan Shankar.
Yeah. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Can you show your screen? I will make you
Yes.
presenter.
Yes.
After that, you have to, yeah. Yeah, just show your screen.
Is it visible?
Oh, yes, it is visible. Very nice.
Yes, yes.
Wherever, yeah. Yes, yes, very nice. Can you show it again? Can you show it again?
Yeah. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice. So Anish, okay, thank you. You can, I will mute you. So yeah, Anish, you can, I will make you presenter now. Okay, just show your. Yes, very good. Can you just, okay, Veronica ji, are you able to see that screen properly?
Yes, I can see that. I can see.
Very
Can you
nice.
get it little down? Yes. Yes.
That's very good.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, thank you, Anish. I will mute you back. Uh, who else wants to show? Okay, we have Sanjana. We have Sanjana. It's showing it on the video. 1 minute, I will make her presenter. Sanjana ji, yeah. Yes, very nice. Can you show? Okay, little bit. Okay, we will show that mistakes. Very good. You make sure, Ameya. Wait, till I make the presenter, student should not show. I will. So I will close. Stop video.
Let us do it one by one because there are too many screens showing.
Yeah. 1 minute. I'm just doing it one by one. Stop video. So yeah, Ameya, just show your screen.
Very nice. Very beautifully done.
Very nice. Can you? Okay, good. So make sure you make a copy and draw it many times, like what we do many in horizontal, vertical, both. Very good. I will unmute. I will mute you and I will switch off your camera. There are other students who are waiting. Who else wants to show? Okay, Advait. Okay, Advait, I'll make you presenter. Very good. How is it? Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. I will close your screen. Stopping video. Okay, Yatin, we will just go to Yatin. Yes, Yatin. Very nice.
Only the names that we are calling out, only they will show. Rest, please switch off the camera. We'll call you one by one.
Yeah. So very nice. Stop video. Okay, Namrata, we will make you presenter. Yeah, very good. Where is Namrata? Yes. Is she presenting? Okay, very good. Namrata, I will close you making presentation. Yeah.
This the one written in red sketch pen, very beautifully drawn. I can't see the name.
We can see that. Yeah,
Dhanushri.
Dhanushri.
Very beautifully written.
So,
Very
Veronica,
nice.
are you able to see the full screen or it is only in the portions? How are you seeing the screen?
No, just the small screens I'm able to see.
Oh, okay. Why is it that? Why is that? Okay, maybe okay. Well, let me just try to do that because when we make her presenter, we should be able to see the full screen, right?
We can, yeah, we can change the layout if I think.
Oh, okay. Let me just see that. Yeah, we need to change the layout somewhere in the presentation. That's right. Okay, Dhanushri, thank you. Stop video. Who else wants to show? Haswini. Okay, Siddharth, 1 minute. I will make you presentation. Move to stage. Here. Okay, I got it now. Yes. Is everybody able to see that? Yes. Okay, very
Yes.
nice. Very nice. Is it better, Veronica, now? This one? This way?
Yes. Yes, this is better. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So very nice. Remove from stage. Who else wants to show now? Okay, we have Vanija. Vanija. Very beautiful. So you have to write. Yes, show that once again. Achyut. Achyut. Oh, very nice.
Very nicely drawn.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I'll remove from the stage. Jhansi. We have Jhansi. Can you show it? Oh, so nice. Very good.
Very nice. Very nice. Vatsalya, can you show your writing? Vatsalya.
Yeah, let me just show her. Oh, good. So you have to make little smaller. So like whole page, you can best just on one line you can write Om, but otherwise it is very good. When you try now, just write small ones. Yeah, very good. Nice. Very good. Very nice. Remove from stage. Okay, Dhanushri. Oh, beautiful. So nice. Dhanushri has written so beautiful. What is the pen you use? Can you show us your pen? Can you show your pen? Or can you show the tip of that? Can you show the tip of that? Oh, very nice.
It's a highlighter pen, I think.
Highlighter
Yeah,
pen.
very nice.
Very, very beautifully written. Okay, thank you. We will go to other. Neetu, we will just see Neetu. Can you show that? Little bit more closer to screen. Little bit more. Bring your. Yes, very good. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Thank you. Achyut, we have seen yours. So stop video. Okay. Ayush, we will see yours. Ayush, can you switch on your camera? Yeah, very good. Very beautiful. Oh, nice. So you don't have to write that example, whatever Veronica ji was showing. We will just write only Om and she has done till now. Very good. Okay, now we have Atharva. Atharva has also written very beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Very good. Show that Om. You show Om. You are showing very good. Very good.
Nice.
Right. Very beautiful. Very nice. Who's your sister next?
Can you get
very
closer?
nice.
Closer?
Very good.
Nice.
Very good. Okay, I will remove you from stage, presenter. Okay. Kithe. Okay. Oh, Kriday Kannan. Oh, beautiful. So Om, little bit just line. Okay, that we will correct it. That is fine. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Kashika will show you yours. Ah, very good. Very good. Neetu, we have seen yours. Neetu, I think we have seen yours, Neetu, already. Okay. Oh, very good. Very beautiful. Very nice. Kashika, we have seen. Okay. All others, now they can. Okay. Niharika, we will see that. Niharika.
This one is very nice. The one written in blue color, blue pen.
Very good. Very good.
It is Niharika, very nicely written.
Okay. Those who have shown already can switch off their camera. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Nadav. Yes, very good. Very good. Thank you. Maybe we will not see all. Next time we will give opportunity for others also to show. Okay. Let me just show Rachna. Rachna is there. We have Rachna here. Rachna, can you show? Very good. Very nice. Very good. Beautiful. Thank you. Manish. Manish Lokesh. Oh, so nice. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very good. Very good. Hetvi Shri. Okay, we will see. Very good. Very nice. Beautiful. So nicely written. Yes, that is how you have to write in one line Om and in another line A. That is right. Very good. That is how yeah, everybody has to practice. See that? Everybody should practice like this. Very good. Yes. Thank you. Arjun. Arjun, I think we saw yours. Arjun Varshney. Show once again. Yes, that's nice. Very good. Very good. Ananya, I think we saw yours already. Yes, very nice. Very good. Akshat. Oh, very nice. Akshat, little bit, Om has to go a little bit up, which we will show here. This is, yeah, that is nice. Very good. That was nice. Veronica ji, maybe you can now take it. So, yeah, thank you, students. Thank you. Veronica, you can share your screen and show some
Yes.
mistakes on the Om, and then we can proceed.
Yeah, we'll close this now. We'll give chance to other students next time.
Please switch off your camera now. Thank you, students. Yeah, very nice. Maybe we cannot show R today. I think this is good enough. So maybe only these two we can just correct it.
Yes, we will just, I'll just highlight few of the mistakes that we saw in the notebooks. So first is Om. Here, when you draw this Om, in some of the notebooks, what we saw, the Chandra Bindu that I showed you, this one, it was drawn like this. So this is not the correct way. When we draw it in Sharda, it is facing downwards. Like this. Okay. Yeah, rest Om was drawn very nicely. Only this, at few notebooks I saw that this was drawn like this. This is the right one. So copy this one. This is wrong. Okay. And in what we saw, this was drawn too big like this. like this. And this was made, the round was kept like this. So again, what is wrong here is that this upper portion is too big. Make sure that this upper portion is little smaller. I'll draw the right way of doing it now. Here. Yeah, just keep it both the upper part and the lower part of the same size like this. This is wrong because this portion is too long. Keep it short. Keep this portion short. And this also same. So you see this length. See, I will draw an imaginary line here and now you will see this length and this length. It is same. Don't draw this. I'm just showing you the correct drawing. This length of this part and this length here, it is of the same size. Okay. So these were few mistakes that we saw. And the Shirorekha is completely on the top of the letter. When you write on your notebooks, make sure that you do like how we do the pages. I will show how to do it. We will share the sample sheet also with you. So from there you can see how you need to do your make your homework and assignments. So for example, you are doing the first page Om. So what you will do is you will write Om here. This is how I'm showing how you have to write it in your notebooks. How many times? Then you will write it again here. Then you will write it again here. Here also. Here also. Write Om here also. Here also. Then come down this row. Then write here also. This is how you will practice. How more you practice, your letters will come very nice. You will draw them very neatly. Here. Then draw here also, here also. Then here also, here also, here also, and here. So 3-4 times in your notebook, just try to write it like row wise you write it 4 times and column wise also you write it 4 times. So like this you have to fill your page. This is how you're going to do your homework. For also same way. You will write in the next page. After you finish Om, then in your next page, write on the top of your page, you will write like this, Devanagari. So you know that you are writing okay. Then from the page below, second line, you will write here. Then you will write it 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you come down row wise, you write here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again down 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you will fill your page. This in Om in one page and in another page. So this is how you will do your homework. This is your homework for today. This is page 1. Page 1 and this is page 2. This is how you have to do your homework. And on the top of Om, you will write, on the top of your page, you will write Om here. Om in Devanagari, like this, on the top of the page. I don't have place here, so I'm write it like this, and then you start your Sharda homework below this. Same way on the top of the page, and then you write like this. This is how you will do your homework. I will show the picture. We will send you the picture also in the WhatsApp, so you know how you have to do it. So I think for today, we will just do these 2 letters. And if you have anything, any question or anything else you want to ask, you can ask in the WhatsApp groups that you have been added to. We will answer your questions or anything there. So we'll close the session for today. Rakeshji, you
Yeah.
should be.
No, I think just for students, next class will be on Saturday, which is 7th August. And there are some students who are not there on WhatsApp class. So they should send a message on WhatsApp number. Veronica ji, can you just type your number and my number so that
Yes.
they will add? We will add them in the groups, junior groups. They have to also mention their name and the age. And next Saturday, 10 o'clock will be the class. So don't miss it.
So I'm writing 2 numbers here. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp us.
We will send the assignments on the WhatsApp. You will receive the material and students can practice, and also they can share their pictures, their assignments on WhatsApp to us.
So these are the 2 numbers. You can reach out to us on these numbers.
Yeah.
And all the study material we will share on the WhatsApp groups.
Yeah. So please practice, and we will meet. All the students have done very nice today. So nice. Thank you. Proud of you all. And yeah. Okay, Veronica ji.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rakeshji. Thank you, everyone. Very nice. Good job by all the students. We will see you in the next class.